What's going on, everyone? Hopefully everybody's doing good. Again, the goal is to get this car done by the end of the month, and I went ahead and picked up a few things we needed at O'Reilly's. This was one of them, heater hose elbow, just so we can finish the heater hoses on the EM2. And this vlog might be exactly like the last vlog. We're just gonna work on the car. I'm gonna talk in between whenever I can. It is super loud in there, so I'm not trying to have you guys like hear all that mess, but you guys will be able to see everything I'm doing. Once I get there, I'll throw on the GoPro and then we'll just start working on the car. We're gonna have to cut this short right here, like right around here, just so we can get this to line up perfectly. Alright, so the heater lines are done. I just got to get clamps to go around, you know, these spots right here, between here, probably another one here. But for now, I think we're all set. So they're nice and straight. I'll show you guys from this angle over here. I think that turned out pretty good. So I think we can move forward. I'll show you guys one more time down here, in case you guys didn't watch my previous vlog. I show you guys all the part numbers and all that stuff, so make sure you guys go back and watch that. And I also want to keep this line off the engine, so I'm going to clamp it from here to here using some type of support. So for now, I think we're all set here. We can move forward, see what else we can get done today. So my alternator is over here. It's not looking too good, as you guys can see. So I think we're gonna go ahead and get another one. I'm not too sure about the starter. We might actually swap that out as well. This K-Tune idler pulley thing is looking pretty good. For some reason, this right here isn't billet. It's like a plastic. I don't know if they like changed whatever they were doing, but it's like a plastic now. And I gotta get a clamp on there. So I said screw it, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and try and install the alternator. Now I'm missing these two bolts. I'm gonna see what I have around here. They gotta be around. I don't know where they're at. I gotta do some cleaning up and try and get organized. So the belt, you have to route it a certain way. I'm gonna see if I put a picture up on the screen. I'm trying to fit it in between like the frame and stuff, but I'm having a hard time doing it. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll get back to you in a second. All right, guys? All right, so there it is. I routed it, and I'll put a schematic or something on the screen real quick, and you guys can pause it and take a look. But yeah, that's how it's gonna turn out, guys. Moving on. Alternator, 16 foot-pounds, which is like nothing. 16 doesn't even sound right, but it is. I am not even kidding, guys. Hopefully you guys can see that little line right here with an arrow. That's got to be between this little marking here. I don't know. The belt will stretch over time, so you just got to keep an eye on it and adjust it, you know. You guys see the nut on this side? There's like a small nut. That's for the adjustment. So you just pull it up and tighten this up. It's a little loose still. You guys see that? We'll go ahead and adjust that later on. I'm gonna leave it as is. It's on all the grooves. Belt is on there pretty good. This is broken right here on the alternator, but I'm not too concerned about that, honestly. I don't see that really touching the belt at all. Let's get this thing on here. This has like a nice groove in it. Should land, yeah. Honestly, I want to take this K-Tune thing off. I think it looks weird right there. That looks better. Looks cleaner. These tie rods better be good, K-Tune. I'm gonna kick your ass. Alright guys, so 54 foot-pounds. I don't have anything with like a torque for that, so I just tightened it as much as I could. I didn't have an issue with it on the RSX and I did the same thing. So there it is. Now I just got to bend these tabs and we should be able to move on. All right, so your brake lines for your EM2, this is what I have right here. I did the same thing on the RSX. So first you need a non-ABS proportioning valve. This is the LX model. I don't know if like the year and like the trim level mattered and if it had like ABS or not on these EM2s, but this one didn't have ABS. So I already had the correct proportioning valve. If you don't have one, you can get them on eBay. It's a non-ABS Honda proportioning valve. As far as what you'll need, these are 3 AN brake lines. These are the first ones I had on my RSX. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna use these because they have like the black lines. So if you're wondering, that's why I have 2 sets. So if you wanna make your own real quick, I'm not trying to like talk too much. You're gonna need a proportioning valve, non-ABS, 4 brake lines. All these brake lines are 3 AN, and then you're gonna need 8 fittings. The 8 fittings look like this. It's 3 AN to M10 or M10 to 3 AN. I'll post a link down below. If you guys were wondering, the 3 AN, and you guys will figure it out, goes on this side, goes on each brake line. So they're gonna go like that. Pre-build your kit like this. Let me show you guys how this is gonna mount up. Your old proportioning valve should be right here. So you'll have these 2 spots right here. The rear brake lines, one will go here and the other one will go right there. And then this will mount up like that. So it's gonna mount just like that on the car. This one can be a straight one. You guys see how it doesn't have a 90 at the end? This one's gonna have a 90, this one's gonna have a 90, and then this one's gonna have a 90 at the end. So this one's gotta be roughly 18 inches. This one's gonna be 18 inches as well. Yeah, this one I have here is about 50 inches. I think you might be able to get away with 48. And then this last one right here is 16 inches. This will go installed just like this. Now I don't have the bolts to like get this on there, but I just want to show you guys real quick. And you could sneak this one through here, or you can go around this way. I'm going like that. Super simple, guys. You can make your own kit, and you know, you don't have to be buying this off some people. All right, so something like that, and I'll show you guys under here. Again, through here, or you can go in through this hole right here. And then this side, you could route this however you want, behind the rack, in front of it, whatever. And then this will go right in there. Pretty simple, guys. Not much to it. So I figured we can get started on the radiator. Go ahead and grab this. The grommets on the bottom, I have no idea where I placed those. I think these are it. Now, this is the same overflow I used on the RSX. I'm just gonna check for fitment and stuff. We could place it here. That's not a bad look either. It includes 2 of these plates, so it'll go something like that, and then you can mount it up to this. I think that's where we're gonna put it, guys. I think this is just a really good spot. It's a lot more comfortable, and yeah, it's gonna work out better right here. So for the fans, trying to fit these on here, I think that's gonna work. Yeah, these slim fans from Spal are perfect. We got that situated. This isn't gonna be hitting that, and the radiator is also not interfering with the overflow. Let me back up and show you guys. Take this radiator back off, put these fans on there. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. What do you guys think? I don't know. Give it a shot, right? So real quick, let me explain what I just did. You're gonna get a kit like this. You're gonna have 4 springs, 4 zip ties, and 4 of these clips, and then a bunch of these sticky things. Zip tie, install this in like that. After you get that on there, you wanna push this through the other side. So pull it through. That's gonna sit like that. You're gonna do the other 4. I went ahead and lined mine up like that on this side. Then you're gonna have this piece right here. Grab this little plastic. It's gonna be sticky on one side. Stick it like that. All right, so once you got all 4, flip this around. This is the side I did already. Here is the one we put together. You're gonna pop it into that hole. Now, once you use these, it's permanent, guys. You can't go back. It's kind of like a zip tie. Pull it pretty tight. So once you got all 4, I'd say wait till the end to tighten it. Make sure they're pretty tight. Obviously, you're gonna cut these off at the end. Once we flip it around, should be all set. So that's how you install those little springy things, in case you guys were wondering. Go ahead and line these up on the bushings, and we're good, man. Fans are installed. We're all set. I think this is as far as I'm gonna get today. It's a nice day out, so I'm gonna try and get out and do something. Radiator's on, this EP3 pulley's on, alternator's on now. We finished all the heating, except we still have to clamp that down. We got the inner tie rods on, brand new. We got all the brake lines all set. We got the clutch all set. Everything's installed, rack is good. Oh yeah, and we also got the reservoir. We do have to get some new lights, because I don't know what's up with these lights, but I'm about to head out of here, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe. I'll keep uploading more videos as we start putting this car together, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Everyone be safe, take care, bye guys.